Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're unboxing Samsung Oddysey, where it is? Oddysey G3, 23.8 inches, Windows 10 and Samsung DeX compatible. Do they need to be compatible? I mean, just HDMI, that's it. 144 refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium, borderless design, iSaver mode, ergonomic design, 1 millisecond response time, MPRT monitor. So, let's start it out. I have my handy dandy knifey. This time, just a little one. Just a little one. Yes. From the left and from the right, I guess. And oh, right here. So let's see, what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, so it's going to be modular. So I took my handy dandy tool for that. Yes. We have some documentation. Don't touch. Okay, can you see it? Yeah. Don't touch something. Take it by. Oh, okay. So we need to take it by these two downward sides. We need to place it on there. We need to take it off. Not take it off. That what? What is this guide? Yes, we have HDMI, DP, headphones stuff, power brick. I don't see no. Oh, okay, we can do it with the Vega also. Okay. So pretty much not a lot right there. Then we have Samsung worldwide. Oh, we have even Lithuanian phone. Awesome. What a lucky number. Look. If you can see. 77777. Nice. Oh, this warranty card. Now, do we need all of these cables? So the Energy Star is not quite good. It's 17 kilowatt hours per 1,000 hours, so it's just E. So energy is not that great. But whose energy is good, you know? Okay, so we have just simple HDMI cable. We're gonna use that because since we have in the other 4K monitor, we're gonna use this monitor for playing strategy games, because I like to play strategy games on 1080p, because that's when they like play the best on my PC. I mean, I don't have PC on my laptops. There's the power. Yes. What? Why it's so thin? It's as thin as, I don't know. Okay, let's take the string off so the label can let loose like that. Okay, I got that. Oh man, it's so interesting to make a movie with a new camera. I don't have that overhead view, but sorry about that. I have what I have. So let's dig more into this. Yes, here we have our, I don't know, what is this? I think this is some, oh, this is the blue Samsung in the back. Nice. You see the circle. Awesome. Awesome. Looks cool. I like actually the design of Samsung. Really like the design of Samsung. Okay, here we have the brick, and it's so super small. I wonder how many watts is this. I think it was 35 watts. It's 35 watts. Cool. Cool. Also, let loose the cables. Bam. Okay. This goes straight to monitor, I guess. Put that to the side. Let that thing. Okay, now what do we have here? We have the arm. We have the arm right here. I feel it. Nice. So, yeah, that's that. That's, I guess, where the leg goes. So, okay. It's sleek. It's kind of sleek. So here, it's awesome because it has the logo. I don't think you can see the logo, but it has some sort of, I guess, Oddysey logo. It's not so easy to see, but yeah, it has that. And it's so good to have cables here, and because this is just rubber, it's awesome. Okay, put that to the side. Maybe we'll use that when we. Oh, and there's a light also. Okay. It was secretly, right there. Okay. We need to connect it, and at least this time there's nothing but this. So it's good that I took my handy dandy tool, so I can, do my job. Cool. Is it this way or that way? Yeah, it's this way. Okay, let me screw this in. Cause I love to screw. Oh, I love to screw. Let me scrap this in. Cause I love to screw this in. Okay. My single career is over. Yeah, so let's put this to the side. I don't think you guys gonna see this, but I'm gonna do it like this. I guess. Oh yeah. Oh no! Don't fall out! Don't create disaster. Put it to the side. Yes. And there is our monitor. So somehow we need to move this box out of our view. And we're gonna do that, but first, let me get salty. Okay, get back to business. Yes, let's do it like it was in the manual. Actually, it wasn't, but it's just. Oh, so that's the real Oddysey. Yeah. That's really the Oddysey. On the back of the monitor, that was actually the Oddysey logo. Actually, kind of like it. This monitor is from 2022, but so freakish was. See, That doesn't make it like too good or bad. Just hey. Then how to get there? Nope. The other side, I guess. Oh, it's like this. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy, you just... Let me show you. It was just this mechanism. Maybe it would be easier if it's just... Can it rotate? Yeah. It was this mechanism. You just press it, and then these things come out. You press it, and then they're in. Awesome, actually awesome. Cool. So, this has the monitor. I kind of like it. It's like sleek, little, not too big, you know. Boom. Let's try to take out the protective films, because you know we don't love protective films right here. We love to do it raw. Yeah. Okay, what else? I think it's time to put the decorations. Damn. I would love to play Manor Lords on this. Manor Lords, Hearts of Iron 4, then Victoria 3, then Europea Universalis 4. Oh my god! I think it's going to be epic. Now, how to place this? That's a good question. That's a good question. Oh, okay, so that was just easy. I started with the two different parts, and I thought I need to connect it later. No, you just first connect them, connect these two blue parts, and then you put on one position and spin it, and that's it. Yep, fully in. So that's what we have now. Some Samsung G3 24-inch monitor with a cute blue. It's a dark blue. Okay, now let me demonstrate you at least some demo, yeah? Okay, let's do this. Oh, I need to turn it on, of course. Cool. Let's turn, okay. Is it 144? I think it is 144. It's interesting because one should be the screen of a laptop, but it isn't screen of laptop. Oh, it is? Two. No, okay. So it shows the size of the monitor. Okay. Advanced, it is 144. Okay, okay. Nice. Great. Now, let's try the charger, because otherwise it's just going to perform very bad. Yes. Nice. I love it. And now I think I can finally play with normal settings, you know. Also, if you have any comments about this monitor, or you want to buy, or you want to buy used, so if you have any questions, just write them down in the comment section. Ooh, I love the sheer size of that. It's not 90, it's 90, yes. Now we're playing. Yes, Ott. It's not Ott, it's let it be bot. Yeah, using the same. Challenging, but the residential requirement, tolerant. That's how I like to play. A new message. Property awaits. Got it. It plays quite nice. Plays quite nice. I don't see. Now we can use actually. Oh, 110, 112 FPS. Amazing. So that's really good. It works pretty much how I want it. Good, reliable 1080p on my RTX 4060 laptop. So that's that. That was the unboxing and a little demonstration about the Samsung G3 monitor. So thank you guys for watching this video. Press like, comment if you have any questions. Of course, subscribe to this video because I need more subscribers and I need to make more videos. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great day. Bye.